Welcome back to Primetime Sports Sunday. Now, last year's finalists start on a winning note in the JCA two-day Senior Cup cricket competition after round one ended on Sunday. Defending champions Kingston Cricket Club are off to a flying start in the JCA Michael Holding Senior Cup after recording an innings and 4-run win over Boys Town at Sabina Park on Sunday. After resuming at 88 for 4 in response to Kingston CC's 284 for 6 declared, Boys Town were bowled out for 139, with Shaquille Greenwood retiring hurt on 53 and Alexia Daly getting 38. Derval Green picked up 4 for 34. Asked to bat again, Boys Town were only able to make 141 all out despite Stephen Pink getting an unbeaten 64 and Daly returning to make 27. Patrick Harty Jr. bagged 5 for 55, while Javon Buchanan picked up 3 for 8.
I am hopeful, I'm excited, I'm confident. When you look at the zone that we're in, we have the finalists from last year in our zone, JDF. We also have Boys Town and we have St. Thomas, who by no means are pushovers. But it's really about focusing on us, playing to our strengths. Obviously, the team will get a lot stronger when we're bolstered by the return of the players. And then with the experience and quality that they bring, I'm hoping for us to grow from strength to strength and advance in the competition.
At Maxfield Park, Melbourne CC had a massive innings and 78-run win over host Kingston and St. Andrews CA. Ronaldo Ingram, who was 84 overnight, carried his score to 113 not out, as Melbourne, who started the day at 260 for 2, posted 304 without further loss. Kingston and St. Andrews CA, who made 107 in their first innings, were then bowled out for 119. Only 3 batters got to double figures, including Stephen Douglas, 40, and Albert Rose, 39. Kari Campbell bagged 5 for 22 to end with 8 wickets in the game. Kensington CC also recorded a big win over rivals Lucas CC, winning by an innings and 57 runs at Nelson Oval. Lucas, who made 107 batting first, were bowled out for 151 in their second innings, as Kensington posted 315 all out. Justin Beckford got 49 against Ryan Francis, 4 for 38, and Alex Hines, 3 for 23.
It was a challenge for us to win outright last year because the balance of the team wasn't there, the core of the team wasn't there, the energy wasn't there. But this year I think we're in better stead and our mindsets are a lot more focused.
These type of performances have to be expected by us because we know we play at a higher level. So when we come down to this level, we have to showcase our class. So I just did what I had to do.
It's a pretty young team. What we're doing this season pretty much is just competing at each game. Pretty young team, some school boys and stuff. We have lost some players due to college and scholarship. So we have our defaults in our bowling category and stuff, but batting should be really strong for us. But we'll see as the commission progresses.
Elsewhere, former champions Jamaica Defence Force had the biggest win in the round, beating St. Thomas CA by an innings and 128 runs at Springfield. Westmoreland also got the better of St. James by 8 wickets at Paradise. Now, second vice